Let's take a look at the Mina Hostinger website template. This is a beautifully simple, straightforward, and easy to navigate website with bold colors through the imagery and strong call to actions. If we scroll down through the homepage, we can see the traditional hero unit with a bold headline statement and a simple, elegant call to action button. We then move into a product feed, which clearly demonstrates products on sale, sold out, and at full price.
We then have a secondary hero unit, which elegantly shows sub-products or different categories within our service before we move into a traditional signposting route. Back for our third hero unit, further down the page for the sign-ups and newsletters, and then into the Instagram feed. What we see with this is clever, but simple banding between different sections on the page.
And as we navigate to the template on mobile devices, we can see this flow continues. The template has a wealth of additional pages, all following the same overarching format, allowing the colors and images to really pop. If you are after a simple but highly effective template to start your business, you can do no wrong with Mina.